Welcome to Vehicle Club, your go-to source for the latest in automotive insights. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kia Sorento 2.2 CRDi, a midsize SUV that blends efficiency, comfort, and capability like never before. Design and exterior. The 2025 Kia Sorento continues its bold styling with a refined yet aggressive front grille, sharper LED headlamps, and strong character lines that give it a commanding road presence. Sleek alloy wheels and sculpted panels maintain its upscale appeal, while subtle updates in the rear profile ensure a fresh, modern look without straying far from its well-known identity. Engine and performance. At the heart of this model is the 2.2-liter CRDi turbo diesel engine, delivering 199 horsepower and 440 Nm of torque. This engine offers a balanced mix of power and fuel economy, making it ideal for long-distance drives and family adventures. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, gear changes are smooth and responsive. Whether you're tackling city traffic or cruising on highways, the Sorento offers refined performance with confident acceleration. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Sorento boasts a spacious and premium cabin. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and intuitive controls create a comfortable driving experience. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while available features like heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and customizable ambient lighting add to the luxury feel. With 3-row seating, there's ample room for passengers and cargo alike. Safety and technology. Kia's advanced safety suite is fully present in the 2025 Sorento, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision avoidance. These technologies work together to enhance driver confidence and protect all occupants. Conclusion. The 2025 Kia Sorento 2.2 CRDi is a well-rounded SUV that offers practicality, style, and efficiency. It's a strong contender for families and professionals alike. Thanks for tuning in to Vehicle Club. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews and updates.